They ain't want to see it. Uh-huh.
What's up, y'all? Just Zay here, back getting another pickup. Today we got a super duper special unboxing. I got my two co-stars with me. I got Miss Shira right here, aka Miss Shy, and I have
Anella.
That's right. And today we're unboxing a pair of shoes coming straight from Nike. These are, of course, under the Nike Air Winflo 12. These shoes will look very familiar. If you guys know, then you know. If not, I'm gonna tell you why in just a moment. So the Winflo 12s are a drastic change in appearance from the Winflo 11s. Now, one of the things they've done differently is that really they kind of copy the mold of another pair of shoes, more specifically the Vomeros Plus. And I think that that was a good look because with these, you get 3 times the cushion you would on regular cushion. This is cushion 3, and you get an air unit. And just for reference, cushion 1 was these shoes right here. Thank you, baby. So cushion 1 is what these are. These are about $80, which was a steal, I thought. And now that I'm wearing these, I'm like, these might be the better steal. Now, of course, these are $20 more, but if you want to know more about these, you will see that link in just a moment. But back to these Winflo 12s, super duper amazing. You get an air unit as well as a thick cushion 3.0. So the Air Winflo is true to that. You do get the air unit, which you can see and feel right here. And like I said, best of both. You get 2 pieces of tech. You can get the air, and then you're gonna get the cushion right here. This is cushion 3.0, and you feel it the most right here, of course, because that's where a majority of all the cushion is. It dies down just a little bit. Now, how does this feel on foot? This is gonna be like a delayed level of plushness. You're gonna walk, you're gonna put pressure, and it's like, and it bounces up. It's not like, so I would compare this to kind of like a boxing glove. You know, once you put the pressure, the force on there, it then comes back. So this is still a good responsive shoe. Very, I think for the price, this is amazing. You're looking at $110. You get hints of reflectability right here. Nike branding, Nike branding, Nike branding. Winflo, Nike branding right here. A little bit of branding right here. And the difference between this and the previous model is that the mesh is a lot more breathable, which is always a plus. And then on top of that, you have a great amount of traction. Look at this. You see that? Now this course is made from recycled materials, so your pair would be a little bit more white. Like I said, I've been wearing these, testing them out for at least a week now, so that's why that looks like that. Your pair should look something like this, where the white is, and then over time, yeah, it is what it is. But this is a great shoe, man. You have cushion, and you have the air unit, and then you have a nice breathable set of mesh at the upper. All right, so for these, you want to go ahead and use your hands and slip these things on. And once you're in, you're good. Now these things are going to put you at about 2.5 inches, a little under 3. Good amount of height boost with these things. And then, of course, you can always slip these off with no hands, no problem. Now on the inside, we're looking at, let's see what this sole has. Now these things are really glued on. So, let's, inside, nothing too crazy. Oh, you can feel the air unit a lot better. Can we see it? Can you see the air unit? Is that it? I think that might be it. But that's it. Nothing too crazy, nothing too special, nothing overly thick. Now, how is it fitting wise? I always recommend going half a size up when you're running, just to be a little uncomfortable, unless you're doing competition. So these are a size 10.5, and you're looking at right around 11 inches from the front to the back. And then at its most narrowest point. A little under 2.5 inches. A little under. So 2.5 is right here. A little bit under that. All right, pick which one you want, baby. Pick which one.
Yeah. Oh, that's so cute. Oh my goodness.
You said the Disney princess? Get it for
What
her?
do you want, Naomi?
Put it on her. Let me see.
Put it on your head. Put it on your head. I know we're gonna have sports.
All right, let Daddy see it. All right, push it.
Now squeeze your butt.
Let me see. Squeeze it. All right, let's go. We get it. We get it. We get it. What you want, Shy? Which one you like?
Okay, pick it.
Pick it up.
That's the one you want? You don't get the hat. If you get a turtle, then you gotta put the hat. Be with the hat on the turtle. The hat.